Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to start a new video lecture series about system programming course. And in this course we are going to cover about Linux operating system, shell commands and shell programming language. We will also go through Python programming language in this course. The first topic that I am going to start is why the Linux operating system is so important. Before going to this part, I want to discuss about the operating system. What is operating system? An operating system is a software or application which allows us to use the computing device. Without the operating system, we cannot use our computers, our laptops, our mobile phones, because this software application allows us to interact with those computing devices. If there is no operating system, the computers will be useless for us. So let's move on to the first topic, why the Linux operating system is so important. The reason is right now we have several operating systems are available, which include like Microsoft Windows, iOS for MacBooks, as well as Apple iPhones and other devices. And the same way we have other Linux based operating system itself also, like Ubuntu, Red Hat and so on. For the mobile devices we have Android operating system, which is very widely used for all of the smartphones. Now, why the Linux operating system is important as compared to the other operating systems? One reason is that the Linux based operating system is a freeware operating system, which means that anyone can download it and they can use it as they want. They don't need to pay the licensing fee to use the Linux operating system. And other reason is they are shareware. Like, sharewares means that they can not only just download it and they can use it in their computing devices, but they can make Linux based operating system as part of their applications, and they can give it to others also, and they can distribute it to others as part of the free application or commercial application. In the same way, the Linux operating systems are open source also, which means that anyone can download it. They can even modify the operating system as per their requirements, and then they can use it. For the big companies, their requirements are different, so most of the time they use to modify the Linux operating system for their needs, and then they use it. Like Cisco routers, they are also backed with the Linux operating system, but they are modified or customized as per their needs. So if we will compare now these three things, freeware, shareware and open source, with the other operating system like Windows operating system is neither freeware, neither shareware, neither open source. In order to use the Windows operating system, we have to pay the licensing fee. For the personal use, the Microsoft Windows, we have to pay like $100 or so for the single user license, while for the web servers or for the Microsoft Windows servers, we have to pay a large amount for getting the license from the Microsoft. Another reason of being Linux so important is that it is being widely used as a web server. Most, or I can say majority of the websites, like more than 80% of the websites, are nowadays hosted over the Linux based web servers. The reason is that in hosting the websites, interaction after the hosting the websites is minimum with the operating system itself. Once the configuration is done over the server and the website or application is hosted on the Linux server, then everything including the adding new pages and managing the database, managing the website, everything will be done by the browser, and there will be no such access or interaction with the server itself. So this is the reason that people doesn't go to buy the Windows server or other paid servers to use or to host their websites, because they don't want to spend the money, as well as it is useless for them, because they can get the same benefits by using the free operating system that is Linux over here. The third reason I want to discuss about the importance of the Linux operating system is that a large variety of applications are available, and most of those applications are available as a free, and you can just download it and use it. And there are some commercial applications are also available, but for those applications you have to pay, you have to buy the license in order to use it. If you talk about the free applications, you have LAMP, that is being used as a web server over the Linux. We have Apache, PHP, MySQL. There are hundreds of thousands of softwares which are available freely for the Linux operating system. But if we will compare with the Windows based operating system or Windows based servers, most of the tools are paid. You have to buy the licensing fee in order to use it. Like I can give you an example of MS SQL. You have to buy the license if you will your requirement is more than a certain limit. In the same way, Visual Studio, you have to buy the license in order to use it, and so on. This is another reason. The fourth point that I want to discuss over here is less resource intensive. Linux operating systems require less resources in order to run the operating system. Why? Because Linux based operating systems are non-GUI based operating system. They don't used to have any graphical user interface, and the most of the basic version of the Linux operating system used to be operated by the commands. So if we don't have graphical user interface, we don't have shiny icons, backgrounds, forms, and such sort of things, which means like we will not have these components as part of the operating system, which are taking some resources of the hardware like RAM and CPU. So by this way we can run Linux operating system even with the devices which has very limited specifications, and we can use it. Another importance of Linux operating system is that it is multi-user multitasking. Like by default, Linux operating system allows to let multiple users run at the same time. They can connect with the same device and they can use it in the same way. They have an option of multitasking. Nowadays, multitasking is available in almost all operating systems. Multitasking means you can run or operate multiple applications at the same time over the computing machine. And the last point that I want to discuss for the importance of the Linux operating system, that Linux operating system allows us to have process automation. Process automations means like we want to run continuous jobs, time-based jobs on our computing machine, like taking the backup of the database, taking the backup of the website contents. Linux-based operating system is best for the process automation, and it has been widely used for the IoT devices also, or Internet of Things. That is the future of IT industry. Like I can say, billions of devices, new devices will be connected with the internet, and those devices they are going to use the Linux operating system. That gives the Linux operating system more importance in the near future because of the Internet of Things. That's it for today's first session. In next class we are going to cover another topic that will be interesting topic, where we are going to discuss about the history of the Linux operating system. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe my video channel. And if you want to receive notifications for my upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon. Thank you.